So whenever you are asking ChatGPT or any other AI tools about your outcome, so try to use the word critical thinking. So critical thinking means ChatGPT will take a little pressure on it, huh? Will take little pressure, and deeply it will think about the more critically it will suppose you are asking something now. So if you say take the critical thinking means more detail, more in depth, it will go and it will provide the solution. So instead of ordinary question and ordinary answer, if you tell ChatGPT critically think this problem, so it will ChatGPT or any other AI tools, it will think, okay, I am the professor, I am the expert on this, I need to focus more, I need to focus more on this topic, so and I need to provide the better answer. So use that keyword critical thinking. So let's check how it works. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT that write an essay, so it's a very generic question you are asking, so you will get a generic and detailed information about essay, any kind of essay. It will provide a random essay. Okay, now you are asking ChatGPT write a critical essay. Critical essay your means but you need to write that essay but critically think it, so that you can provide the better outcome. Okay, so write a critical essay on the impact of social media on interpersonal relationship, providing arguments for and against. Okay, so you are asking ChatGPT, I want topic to be discussed on social media on interpersonal relationship, providing argument for and against also. Okay, but you think it critically mean it will put some extra pressure on his head. Okay, it will provide some extra pressure, it will take some extra pressure. Okay, I need to act like a expert, I need to act like a specialized. Okay, so accordingly I need to provide the answer. Okay, so we will check in the practical also. Let's go to the next example. Next example is discuss renewable energy. So again you are asking ChatGPT a generic question, a broad question you are asking, so it will provide a generic answer. But if you ask critically discuss the feasibility of 100% renewable energy in urban areas considering economic, technical and social factors, so again you are asking the word critically discuss. Okay, critically discuss the feasibility. So what will happen, it will put some pressure on it, and it will provide some more accurate details, more professional details it will provide. Critically it will think like a master, like a expert, like a specialized someone, so it will think. And again the example number 3 is explain leadership. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT about leadership, again it will provide a generic answer, a generic a broad answer it will provide. Okay, so instead of that, what you can do, you can write critically analyze different leadership style, providing examples or examples of leaders who exemplify each style. Okay, so again you are asking ChatGPT to analyze it critically, anything before suppose it's a adjective, right? So whenever you are asking something, add the word critically, so it will put some pressure on it, and it will provide more specific answer, more professional and accurate answer. Okay, so let us check practically how it works. Write an essay, so it will provide a random essay. Of course, could you please provide a topic on or any specific details you would like to like the essay to include? So I did not provide any details, that's why it is asking. Okay, so now let's think about this. Write an critical essay on the impact of social media. You can replace your content, okay, you can replace your content, your idea, your industry, you can replace on interpersonal relationships, providing arguments for and against also. So it will provide, see, it will take a little more time. See the it's browsing, it will take more time. The impact of social media and interpersonal relationship. See now the quality of the content, arguments for the positive impact of social media, arguments against the negative impact of social media. Again, it's generating a long content, balancing the impact. So first it said it has said about the positive, then it has said about the negative, then now it's balancing the impact, overall impact, it's balancing, it's still generating the content. Balancing the impact. So it has provided a long details, it has provided me a long details, first the positive, then the negative, then the balancing. So I have got the enough ideas. Critically, it has thought the impact of social media or interpersonal relationship, providing arguments for and against. So the positive impact, then the negative impact, then the balancing impact. So now I have got a more professional and to the point, more accurate answer from ChatGPT. Okay, now let's go to the second point, discuss renewable energy. So again, I think I am not writing this because discuss renewable energy we have tested a lot, so it will provide a generic answer. Instead of that, what we can do, we can create this prompt. Let's see, we can ask ChatGPT that think critically and provide me the solution. So think critically, it's a very powerful word, very powerful keyword you can use. Okay, critically discuss the feasibility of 100% renewable energy in urban areas, considering economic, technical and social factors. Okay, so it will provide based on that. It will be more accurate, it will be more professional. The feasibility of 100% renewable energy in urban areas, a critical discussion. Okay, economic factors, as I told, economic, technical and social. Economic factors it has mentioned. Okay, it's still generating, it's critically thinking. So the economic factors it has provided. Okay, so it has provided me, see, economic factors, it has provided a long informative article. Then technical factors, it has provided a long article. Then social factors, it has provided a long article. Then the conclusion. So it has given me a pretty detailed and informative ideas about my question. Critically discuss the feasibility of 100% renewable energy in urban areas, considering economic, technical and social factors. So what you can do is you can again modify this thing. Under 500 words you can write critically discuss the feasibility and give me the response within 500 words, within 300 words. Okay, within 2 paragraphs, within 3 paragraphs, like this. Previously we learned those things. So now I think it's pretty clear to you how to use this critically thinking. So it's a very powerful keyword, critical thinking. It's a very powerful thinking, powerful keyword. So whenever you are asking ChatGPT or any other platform with your question, your problem, so in that time, if it is possible, you can use critical thinking. So it will provide more in-depth details, more accurate details, more professional details it will provide. Okay, so use this keyword, create your examples, at least 5 to 10 examples you create based on your niche, your topic, your ideas, your industry, and practice it, and find out the better version. Okay, so I'm sure you will get it. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.